Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today is the day we're going to be going over some things I've been using and just talking about them a little bit and giving kind of like a little bit of a review. Now I have 5 items to go over with you all today. The first thing I've been using is from Pharmacy. It's a Honeymoon Glow Body Resurfacing Serum. Now there's pros and cons with this. The pro is this product works extremely well. This is the consistency of it. And it feels amazing on the skin. It makes your skin feel so soft, so refreshed, but the smell is a little strange. So you do smell hints of honey in there, which doesn't smell bad, but then there's something else in there, and I'm not really sure what it is, but it doesn't make this product smell the best, but it does work. So if you're someone who can get past like something that doesn't necessarily smell the best, but performs and does what it says it's supposed to do, this is a really good product and I do enjoy it. Before we get any farther, I'm going to let everyone know that everything I'll be talking about in today's video will be listed in the description box below in case you're interested in looking into anything any further. Now this next product, I wasn't really sure about it. At first I was really excited to try it, and then I wasn't really sure because it had a lot of grains in it, and I don't typically like really granule lip scrubs because they have a tendency to like fall off my lips. This really shocked me because it has a lot of grains in it and it's a lot more grainy I guess you would say, than I normally like, but the grains stayed on my lips just fine. They didn't fall off or anything, and only a little bit. It doesn't even look like I've used this product at all. This will probably last me a long time. This is a very large lip scrub, definitely worth the money if you ever get in the future. I think they're only like $14 and that's full price for them. So if you can get them on sale, even better. The next thing is from Ather Beauty. I've been wanting to get my hands on this palette just because I got the other one in BoxyCharm and I really liked it, the orange one. I can't remember what it's called. But they had this in Glam Bag X, I think, when they had Hazley do the Glam Bag X. I really do like this palette. But I do try my palettes with and without primer, just to try to get an idea, like let's say if someone doesn't have primer or whatever the circumstance may be, maybe you forgot it, I don't know. But without primer, I felt like this eyeshadow was lacking for me in a sense, like it didn't really show up that well. You know, have you ever used a palette where you can use it without primer and it works almost as good as it does with a primer? This is not the palette. But overall, I think it's a pretty good palette. It's just not my favorite. It's not as exciting as I thought it was going to be, but I do like it. This next product is Heel Repair for extremely dry heels. This is tea tree oil from Australian Bodycare. I got this in a subscription box, and I can't remember what it was. Maybe it was looking fantastic. But my husband has really dry feet, and I've been using this on his feet, and I have noticed a significant difference in it. So this is another thing where it works really well but doesn't smell the best. The tea tree has a really strong scent. If you can get past that, this product does work really well. This is dermatologically tested and is 100% vegan. And my last item here is this Beute Quintessential palette. Huge palette. They had it in BoxyCharm for only like $9, which I was surprised. And this is another palette I have used with and without primer, and it works like a dream. With or without primer, I love this palette. I like how it has like some of these shades here. I'll just do a couple swatches for you to kind of like bring all the looks together. Or like these shades here. And then we have like the darker colors here. Here's a dark blue. Look how pretty that is. I mean, this palette is absolutely stunning. This one's Mandarin. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I also picked up the Ace Beauty primer, and I really did like that as well. I didn't include that in today's reviews. I don't know why I didn't grab that. I forgot it, I guess. But, just really good quality. I love everything about this company. I love their eyeshadows down to their fingernails. I just think they're really good, especially for your money. That's everything I had for reviews today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.